Hello there, this is Arun from Phoenix team, and today I'm gonna quickly show you how to collect integration test coverage data in Golang and feed it to SonarQube so that SonarQube can show the correct code coverage for the repository. So let's start with how we currently run. So this is the command which we usually run. So here dot internal runs the unit test and dot slash test will run the integration test. And we thought like this coverage report will go into coverage.out and we'll send these two files to SonarQube, and which will ideally shows the code coverage for the integration test as well as the unit test. But SonarQube showed just somewhere around like 20% code coverage, but we got a pretty good integration test coverage for our code. So we thought like we are missing something around, and we started checking a lot of talks around Golang, and we ended up uh, noticing that in Go we got to actually inform the Go tool and the Go build to emit the integration related data when the tests are running. For example, how it works is first, let's say you want to build your server. Okay, let's this will ideally we got to pass the hyphen cover here, and this is like building here. Like I'm just building the API gateway here. That's done. It will generate one file here, and next is I'm gonna create a new folder, and this will ideally hold uh, coverage related data. So let's see that folder is currently empty here right now. So let's go here, and I'm gonna like use this coverage data folder here as an environment variable and start the server at the same time. Okay, nice. Now once I started, we should able to see a file getting generated in this folder. Just give it a moment. Let's see. Oh, okay, there it is. Okay, it's just a metadata. It does not get changed for each and every build. Now let's go ahead and our server is right now running. Let's go ahead and run the not unit test. Let's run the integration test. So this will ideally start running the integration test against the started server here. And once the integration test has ran, like it started running now, you will see another file here that will ideally shows the metrics, like holds the metric which shows the code coverage for your SonarQube, code coverage for your code base. Sorry, yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna wait till this run is completed. I'm gonna like terminate this. You will see another file getting generated here. Let's give it a moment. Oh, okay. So yeah, this is the like you got to stop the server. That's a mistake. You got to like after all the tests has run, you got to stop the server. Then only you will get the coverage data. Let's stop the server. Let's come here. You will see two metrics. This counters actually holds values, which can ideally shows numbers like coverage for your code. Let's give it a try. It shows somewhere around like 70.4 percentage of the statements are covered. Go tool, like I used go tool cover data percentage. I'm just passing the folder name here, which holds these two files. Okay. Next, let's. But SonarQube actually takes some sort of like a different file, so you could output this data to a different file. You will see there should be a file created here, something like this, integration test. And for unit test, you could ideally pass something like this and get the unit coverage data here. Now we do have like two files. Now we got to pass these two files to the SonarQube like this. Come here, pass this to coverage data. And now if you go to Sonar, Okay, let's quickly go to SonarQube to check the coverage. So this is the API gateway. Previously, the coverage were like 22%, something like that. After we did this, we were like jumping around 73 or 72, something like that. And that's pretty much how we achieved it. And we like I did like a small blog around this, so probably you can head over here and read about it. There are two sessions. The second session actually worked out for me. Thank you. Have a nice day.